Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, November the 1st, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have Microsoft and the Scotland National Health Services that are teaming up to revolutionize healthcare, as they say. One of the things is they'll be setting up Windows 10 machines with enhanced security and also trying to apply AI and machine learning in all of the data and the information about patients. This is, of course, one of the steps that Microsoft is taking as it's trying to actually get a chunk of the health care services, because it actually has expertise where it can actually help in maybe making better diagnosis and better treatments for patients. Google employees around the world have walked out today to protest the poor handling of the sexual misconduct of the Android co-founder Andy Rubin. And employees are saying, you know what, you gotta do something about it. You can't hide, or you can't try to deny when something happens like that. And pretty much all around the world, employees have walked out. Workplace, which is the Facebook social media site for enterprise, will now have its own domain, as it will depart from the main Facebook page, as it wants to try to get companies into the enterprise side of the social media site. There's no real numbers about how many enterprise have actually joined, but it's kind of interesting. We'll see if that changes something. Machine learning. We talk about machine learning all the time, and there's a research lab called OpenAI that has shown that in order for computers and for machines to learn more about the world around it, they need to build it with curiosity in mind. They say that one of the major reasons why humans learn is because they're curious by nature, and by actually programming machines that will have curiosity built in, they'll actually learn on their own. That sounds like Terminator. Freedom House, it is an organization that takes a look at online freedom, says that we are losing the battle of internet democracy. More and more governments are looking at users' data, and many fake news regulations are actually used to just make sure that some people can't voice their minds. And they say that we are losing the battle as time goes by. More and more governments are actually regulating and preventing people from actually saying what they want. The European Union will start testing a new type of artificial intelligence lie detector at some of the border points, and wants to try to see if you say the truth by asking questions like, what's in your suitcase? And if you open the suitcase now, is what you said will be in the suitcase? And all of that while a webcam and computer analyze thousands of micro gestures to see if you're lying, basically. They say that the idea behind this is to make border point crossing faster. Twitter will now let you report accounts that you think might be bots rather than real humans, being really criticized about the number of bots, and some numbers sometimes suggest that as much as 15 to 20% of Twitter accounts are bots. Well, they are trying to, of course, win the war against computers controlling Twitter. A study says that regulations and laws will be needed if we want Facebook to really fix what is broken. They say that by not doing anything, there will never be a change. It will always stay the same. And that laws need to be actually put up to make sure that they change the way that they're doing business. According to Ad Duplex, the numbers we had yesterday of Ad Duplex, one of the numbers that is interesting is the October 2018 update that shows up on apparently 2.3% of Windows 10 machines. So that means in the 2 days that it was available, approximately 16 million users downloaded the October 2018 update, as it was taken offline because of people reporting that some of their data was lost. Are you a Flickr user? Things that are about to change might affect you. Flickr, did I say Twitter? A Flickr user. So the picture service says that it's changing its limits. It used to have a limit of 1 terabyte. Well, now it will actually lower that limit to 1,000 pictures. So if you've got more than 1,000 pictures, at some point you'll need to delete some of them, or they'll be deleted on their own. And finally, Spotify is hitting 87 million subscribers at the end of September. And as we were, hearing rumors of Apple Music getting close, well, it's really still very, very far ahead. It's the most popular music streaming service. Its closest competition, Apple Music, is at 50 million subscribers. And this was the Tech News Update for Thursday, November the 1st, 2018. You enjoy videos? Please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.